Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux soup at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need beef bones like knuckles and marrow bones for that essential rich base. Don't forget your aromatics, onions, and ginger. We'll char these to bring out their sweetness and a smoky depth. Finally, prepare your spices, such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves, which we'll toast lightly. Once your bones are blanched and your aromatics are charred, combine them with the toasted spices in a large pot. Cover everything with plenty of water and bring it to a gentle simmer. This long, slow cook extracts all the wonderful flavors. Remember to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to ensure your broth stays beautifully clear. Finally, season it perfectly with fish sauce and a bit of rock sugar. While your broth is simmering, it's time to prepare the other components. Thinly slice your choice of protein, whether it's raw beef that will cook in the hot broth or pre-cooked chicken. Next, cook your flat rice noodles according to package directions until they are perfectly al dente. Finally, arrange your fresh garnishes like cilantro, basil, mint, bean sprouts, and lime wedges, ready for serving. Now for the best part, serving your delicious pho. Arrange your cooked rice noodles in a large bowl, then layer on your thinly sliced raw beef or cooked chicken. Add a generous handful of fresh herbs like cilantro and basil, along with bean sprouts and lime wedges. Ladle the piping hot broth over everything, ensuring the meat cooks gently. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, find the link in the description below. Enjoy your incredible homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.